Ikirekali ya keriria President William Ruto uria kwa murado wa gedudu-ini yake ya minister nirigwetereirwo na hikikini ya Kenya makiria thutha wa gukorwo gukirekana ati ni thiini wa ikirekali riri kugimenyekanire kana mwena wa Azimio ni ukuingira thirikari-ini.
Just hold your horses.
Dalili icio the cironanitio hotekeku wa kiama kia ODM kwenda kuingira thirikari-ini na gwikira mukode uhoro uyu ni kwamurwo kwa andu angi 10 dudu-ini ya minister umuthi na aria acio atongoria na kiama kia ODM ni mamurirwo aria ni mubunge mwamure John Badi uria wamurirwo ministry-ini ya kigina munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Wycliffe Oparanya agikio ministry-ini ya Thothaiti na Julia Nini murunawe uria wari governor wa Mombasa Hassan Joho akiheo ministry ya wejua mahiga magoro na wonjoria wa maine na mutongoria wa aria ingi bunge-ini Opiyo Wandayi akiheo ministry ya hinya wa thitima na maguta.
Their willingness to set aside partisan positions and interests in order to join a visionary partnership for the radical transformation of Kenya is a historic gesture of their patriotism.
Mwekeo ni araonire hari ugiaheo ni Kenyans wa kuingirira Azimio onekana no akuya andu amwe niguo opposition yage.
We shall not participate in or support the proposed Kenya Kwanza-led broad-based government of national unity, because this is a betrayal of the Kenyan people.
Ona gutwika President William Ruto akoretwo akihinyiriria wigie kwamba thirikari irakuruhania ciama ngurani cia kiuteti ciama itiganite cia Azimio ari ni hamwe na Jubilee, Wiper, NARC Kenya na DAP Kenya citinaheo kanya hari dudu ya president iria riu iri na andu 20 gukinyiria riu.
The opportunity we have to work together across political lines, across different divisions, is much more greater than the challenge and the crisis we have in our hands.
Should any of our members opt to join the proposed Kenya Kwanza-led broad-based government of national unity, we shall not be party to that decision. They will actually only be joining in their individual capacities.
Hamwe na uguo president ni acokirie wira minister tano aria marari dudu-ini ya hau gabere hamwe na wari ni Kipchumba Murkomen uria wamurirwo ministry-ini ya mathako na mbeu njithi, Rebecca Miano agitwarwo ministry-ini ya ugendi na nyamu cia githaka, Salim Mvurya ministry-ini ya wonjoria uigithia na iganda na Alfred Mutua agitwarwo ministry-ini ya uruti wa wira. Aya makiongerera hari thaburia ya minister angi atano aria merigite gucokio wira itena-ini ria mbere kiumia githiru.
The responsibility of managing the affairs of the country vested in the cabinet, in the expanded cabinet, will require of us to work together.
Stella Langat uria wamurirwo ministry-ini ya agenda na unduire no rio ritwa riria rionekanire regeni kuri andu 10 aria mamurirwo umuthi na kio giturwa kia munene wa watho giikarite kirioro utheri thutha wa President Ruto gucenjia Miano uria urahetwo giturwa kiu hau gabere.
I know and I understand acutely the huge expectation of the people of Kenya on me and this administration. And I equally understand that that responsibility can be made easier if we work together.
Gicunje kia 152 gia gatiba ya bururi kiugite ati dudu ya minister ibatie gukorwo na president munini wake munene wa watho na minister matinyihiire 18 no matakiritie 22 na kuringithania na minister 20 aria president amurite gukinyiria riu kuri na mieke ngiri tigarite ya minister na umwe wa munene wa watho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.